Hey everybody, welcome back to the Faith Amina show. I'm Faith Amina and I hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. If you are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are here from the very beginning, hey, welcome back. And let's get right into the video. We got a lot to do today. So today I'm actually tackling my closet, not my closet, it is like a closet, but it's actually my master bedroom. You can see a little bit of it from there. It's a little messy, okay, a lot messy. And before we get into it, I just want to tell you guys why it's that way. When I first moved into this house, because I'm sure you're like, Faith, you've been in this house for like 2 months now. You should have your master bedroom together. Like, that should be the first thing. Wrong. So the first thing was my guest bedroom, because I am planning on renting it out and I wanted to make it nice. And also only have one bed, and also I have a winding staircase, and also that bed came up one set of steps, and I was like, that's it, done. The next bed that I'm gonna get, I want to get a brand new bed, and that's been kind of scaring me just because that's like a real big grown-up decision. And like, I've bought beds in the past, don't get me wrong, but now I kind of want like a king size bed, and I kind of want like a plush bed, a bed that kind of costs me like upwards of money than I'm used to paying for a bed. So that's been really interesting, getting to like hop over that. So hopping over that hurdle of getting over my fear of actually like growing up, and then also it was comfortable. It's just been comfortable to sleep in my same bed. It's been familiar, even though like this is a new house and I'm grateful to be here. Sleeping in my old bed definitely kept it kind of familiar and helped me like transition into, okay, we're no longer in a studio, but we're now in a house. And so it was just comfort things from to make me feel more secure. So I've been sleeping in my guest bedroom, but that is coming to a stop because we gotta put that bad boy on the market. So with that being said, I need to get a bed for my room so I can start sleeping in my own master bedroom. I mean, all the rooms are mine, but I can sleep in the master bedroom, right? In order to do that, we have to clean. And when I first moved in, I just put everything in my room. I just like, So what you're about to see is a whole bunch of things on the ground, a whole bunch of clothes, a whole bunch of things just scattered about. And we're going to organize it. Okay, with that being said, we're going to first organize it and put it in 2 different piles. So I know we all have this whole thing of, you know, if it brings you joy, then keep it. If it doesn't bring you joy, release it, right? That's cool. That's great. But everything brings me joy. So my twist on it is, where do I see myself wearing this, right? Because I want to manifest myself going into business deals. I want to manifest myself making partnerships. I want to manifest myself making friends and going to events. So the clothes that I'm wearing need to I need to see myself doing that. So I'm manifesting what I want to do in these clothes. And if I can't see myself manifesting the things that I want, it has to go. It is what it is. It just gotta go. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then of course I'm going to like leave myself room for like lounge wear. Like this shirt, Black Boys Read. I love this shirt. This shirt is a banger. But as you guys can see, or maybe I don't know, it's fading right here. I can't wear this out anymore. I used to be able to wear it to school because I work at a school, but I'm no longer able to really wear this. I mean, the kids can read it. It doesn't look well, but I'm gonna still keep it because it's a message that I care for, and I envision myself wearing it in videos like this so I can subliminally send the message out. So with all that being said, let's get right into this organization. You're gonna see me do a time lapse of me just moving and working. So that's what we're gonna do, and then I'll stop here and there just to show you like some of the pieces that I am struggling with maybe giving away. So that's really what I'm asking myself. Is it functional? Do I really like it? Can I dress it up? Can I dress it down? And where do I see myself with this piece of item on? And that's just it. So that's what we're gonna go into. So we are halfway there. I split up the clothes. I didn't have a lot of clothes that I did not want anymore because before I moved, I did a lot of sifting through things, and then I didn't really look through my winter clothes because a lot of my winter clothes are summer clothes transitioning or layering into winter. So that was a little easy, but some of the winter like sweaters, I didn't want to make a decision on them because I don't wear them now. So I packed those away. And then this pile is basically my pile of clothes that I want to keep, that I can see myself doing things in with. So this is the pile that I need to organize into this closet. So if we get into my closet, I already have some clothes here, but I also need to look through these clothes and figure out which, what I'm gonna keep. And then these coats that I have are gonna go downstairs in the basement with all my other winter clothes. Also, so I wanna do some small closet organization, but until we get there, we're gonna work with what we got and put in like a little dresser drawer right here, and then have all my long clothes on one side and all my short clothes on this side. This is what I'm working with right now. So with all that being said, I want to put a dresser drawer like right here that will house my bathing suits, my undergarments, socks, and everything. And then also I want to be able to put like regular t-shirts. So I don't know how big it's going to be or how I'm going to put that, but whatever dresser drawer unit I get, I definitely wanted to have a spot for my underwear, bras, socks, and then somewhere where I could put like my random t-shirts. So like this would be like a shirt that I don't wear to the club, but I might wear around the house, or it might be lounge wear. So that's a drawer that I want to use that for. And then up here, because I have this shelf, I'm going to put accessories like my purse, and so purses are going to go up here, hats are going to go up here, and then I probably will get some hooks so I can hook up my belts and anything else and scarves that I want to put right here on this door. So that's the game plan. So I'm running into these situations where I have like this beautiful gown, right? I wore it at the DC Now Events All Purple Gala last year, and it's a beautiful gown. I would love to keep it, but here's the thing. If you look closely, I accidentally ripped it. This can't fly. This can't fly. I can't wear this. So this has to go. Unfortunately, you know what? Maybe I could get some sewing going. I'm gonna keep it. I lied. I'm keeping it. Because I like it. It looks nice on my body. It will go well in a situation that because I want to go to more galas. I want to have more fancy events. I want to do more fancy things. So with that being said, I think that would be great to have. So I'm gonna keep it. Okay guys, so the closet, yes. So all the clothes that I want are hanging up that I will be wearing on like a weekly basis or annually are here. Jeans and pants are here. And then at the bottom I have like some shirts like this, like with words on it or that have meaning to it. So those are folded up down there, but that is not where it needs to be. Ooh. Anyway, so now I have this like little plastic set that I have from the studio apartment that I'm gonna put right here in this area. But I really don't like it, but you know, we're gonna work with what we got for right now. And right now, this is what we have until I am able to like go to an IKEA or go to Walmart, because I could buy it online, but I really just want to like, I'm a big person on seeing and touching and envisioning it in a space that I want it to be in. So it's a little hard for me to do that online, because like, what if I get it, build it, and I don't like it? At least at IKEA, I can see it, know what it's supposed to look like, put it here, and then be like, yes, that's what I was going for. But so I'm gonna move that container from over there to over here, because this is the vanity station now. I decided. And my bed is going to be here with the projector to project onto this wall so I can watch TV like that. And then we're going to move this bad boy, this little chair, over to this side of the room. And then that's that. That's going to be my room. And the reason why I was really like trying to figure out if I wanted a queen or a king is because I've always had a queen, or I've always had like a full or a queen in my like adult years. So now it's just like, ooh, baby girl, you really stepping up. You really stepping up your game, and you really like, you getting big girl stuff. And so I want a king. I want a king bed. And with that being said, I feel like I should treat myself. I should pamper myself, because tomorrow is not granted. Nothing is guaranteed. So with all that being said, I'm going to start buying the things I want, spending the extra money on it because I can and I have it, and I should enjoy it. I worked hard for it, so that's what it is. So that's what we're gonna do. We're getting a king size bed. Hey, check me out. Check me out. Hey, I'm getting a king size bed. Ooh, alright, let me calm down. Okay, so now I gotta go look at these prices, but it's okay because we're putting in the universe that I can afford these things, and I can afford these things. I've just been in like a cheap mindset, but now that I'm getting better with my finances and I've been saving money, it's like, okay, I really want to hold on to this money, but for what? For who? I mean, for me, obviously, but like, let's not, like, God is gonna always got my back. God always has my back. So why not, but also don't do too much. Like, like, yeah, get a nice bed that you want, that you like, but also don't spend like $2,000 on a bed. I just don't want to do that right now. I can put that money towards other things, like upgrading my equipment, putting it into marketing, all these other things. So I am gonna splurge on a bed, but I don't know which bed frame I'm gonna get. I'll probably do it in sets, guys. To be honest, I'll probably get my bed and then get a bed frame and then do everything else on top of that. So it's gonna take a little while. So make this house a home. Mondays, they're gonna be coming. I'm telling you, they're coming. So stay tuned. This is the end of the video. I love you guys from the bottom to the top. I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day wherever you are in this journey of life. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It means a lot to me if you join my tribe. And I have a lot of content coming out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, sometimes Saturdays, but not all the time. But you definitely should hit that subscribe button so you can know when I am uploading. Have a beautiful one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.